Hello everybody, welcome to the universe of Rage and welcome to a new video on my channel. I'm so excited to be here and I'm so excited that you tuned in and that you're watching this video. For everybody who does not know me, my name is Rage, I am 23 years old and I am from Vienna in Austria. I work as a makeup artist part-time and the other time I am a drag performer and I design my own clothes. For those who know me, or if you actually just scroll down my channel, then you will notice that this is not my first video actually. I started YouTube back in 2015, so like 4.5 years ago now, and it's crazy how time flies. I did YouTube back then really just for fun, and actually I don't really remember why I started. I guess I really just wanted a platform to express myself. However, I took down a lot of videos. Actually, most of them are private right now or unlisted because I feel like they don't really represent who I am as an artist anymore. And also most of them are really embarrassing, so I took them down. But yeah, anyway, I'm really excited to be back. I'm really excited to be in front of the camera again and to talk to you guys and to give you a little bit of entertainment. Now some might be questioning, why did I return to YouTube? Now, I can't deny the fact that I have a lot of free time on my hands right now, and I kind of refuse to mention it, but I feel like I can't really avoid it. We all know that there's a virus going around that is threatening us, and it is a scary situation right now. The whole coronavirus crisis is affecting a lot of us, and I feel like a lot of people are maybe scared what the future holds for them. I know that a lot of my friends lost their jobs. They don't have any income right now. I mean, I also lost some income because I don't have any gigs right now. I don't have any bookings. Everything until summer has been cancelled. A lot of parties that I've been looking forward to have been cancelled as well. So it is a really scary and crazy time right now for all of us. At this point, I want to say a big thank you to everybody who goes out there and still does their jobs. So every nurse, everyone working at the hospital, at the supermarket, every policeman, and so on. Thank you for being so brave and going out there and still doing your job. I understand that these times are really hard for all of us. For some more and for some less, maybe, but now more than ever, it is important that we come together as a community and that we spread positivity, that we are there for each other, that we lift each other up. Also, that's why I want to do YouTube again. To give you some entertainment, some fun, some positive vibes, positive thoughts. And I know that for a lot of people, YouTube is like an escape from daily life and daily stress. So I kind of want to provide an escape for you from all the craziness that is happening right now. So I thought today I want to create a look that is out there, that is fun, and that really describes me as an artist and as a person. I think what describes me best is the word glam boy. Now a lot of people ask me, what is the difference between me as a glam boy, Rage, and my drag persona, Ella Umbrella? To cut it short, a glam boy is a boy that loves to express himself through the art of makeup, fashion, and transformation. And I think that describes me the best. If you want to see what kind of makeup look I will create, then keep on watching. Alright everybody, I zoomed you guys in so you can see what I'm going to do. If you follow me on Instagram and you scroll down a little bit, then you will see that at the beginning of this year I posted a look where I already did a galaxy makeup. So I kind of want to recreate that and maybe like do another version of that. So for now I think I want to start with the contour and blush kind of type of thing. I'm going to use the Morphe 35B palette. This has a lot of colors in here, perfect for the whole galaxy craziness I'm going to create. I'm going to stick with the blue and the purple tones for now. I want pink actually. I'm going to pick up some pink eyeshadow on a contour brush. And then I'm just going to put that under my cheekbones and then blend it up. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention I did my base and my brows off camera, but I think you could tell. Alright, I'm also gonna put some of this color on my temples and forehead along the hairline. And also a little bit on the chin. Actually, I think because I'm starting to paint my hair pink, I'm going to clip it back for a hot minute and also pull it behind my ear. It looks so stupid. Sorry. I'm also blending this into the eye area a little bit. This one makes sense afterwards when I do the eyeshadow because this will give me like a transition from the eyeshadow into the galaxy. Now I'm mixing these two shades together, these two deep purple ones, to really give myself more dimension. Now I'm going to take a nose contour brush and I'm going to go into the pink shades. I'm going to mix them together again. And then I'm just going to contour my nose like that. Now I'm going to use some loose powder actually. And I'm going to bake the sides of my nose. And also a little bit underneath my contour to really sharpen the edges. I'm gonna use some more loose powder underneath my eyes, kind of like as a security powder to catch all the fallout, or like any fallout I might have from eyeshadow. Alright, now it's time for eyeshadow. Actually, let me take that bullshit out right here. I zoomed in a little bit more so you can see what I'm doing on the eyes with the eyeshadow. And for now, I'm switching to the Blue Blood palette by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. And I'm taking the shades Minty and Flourishing. Now I'm taking a blending brush and I'm just using Minty, this like very light teal shade. And I'm blending over the edges and also into my crease. And I'm kind of bringing it like almost all the way through my crease, and I'm right here underneath the highest arch of my brow, marrying this teal shade and the pink shade together. So this is where this pink shade comes in. Now I'm going in again with the 217 and the shade Flourishing, and I'm really just packing it onto the inner third of my eyelid. Using the same brush, I'm dipping into Blue Monday and I'm going right onto the center of my eyelid. Now I'm blended, I'm switching back into the Morphe palette and I'm going to take the shade Purple-ish and Brick Pop and I'm placing that right on the outer corner of my eyelid. Now I'm taking another blending brush. This is number 26886, whatever. Number 286 by MAC. I'm taking the hot pink shade out of the Morphe palette. And now I'm blending that over the edges of the purple. Right, now that it's blended, it should look something like this. And now I think I can finally remove the baking powder. Right, now I want to take a flat eyeshadow brush like this, and I'm going to blend all these shades right underneath my eye as well. Blend, blend, blend until all the colors. Now I also went ahead and added some white eyeliner in my waterline, and now I'm going to take shade Minty and I'm pressing it on top of that eyeliner in the inner third, and I'm pressing it onto the outer part. Alright, now I'm taking some glitter glue, placing it with a flat synthetic brush right in the center of my eyelid. And then I'm taking a blending brush and I'm applying blue glass, which is a gorgeous glitter pigment by MAC, and I'm putting it right onto that glitter primer. And with the residue, I'm just blending, blending around those edges. And by doing that, I'm bringing like tiny particles of glitter into the eyeshadow, and it makes it look like tiny stars. Now I'm taking the shade, I think it's called Cullinan, but whatever. It's the white highlighter shade in the Blue Black palette, and I'm placing that in my inner corner. And I'm taking that shadow also underneath my brow as a brow highlight. So I'm almost done with the eyes now. I think it looks pretty cool so far. The only thing missing is lashes, and before that I will apply some mascara. Mascara is on now, and I also added a little bit of a liquid eyeliner because it helps me apply the false eyelashes. And for lashes, I'm going to use Tamara Mascara Luxury Eyelashes. This is the model number 9, the shade. Alright, I'm taking some black Duo Eyelash Glue, and then I'm just applying a thin layer onto the lash fan. I'm gonna apply it. I hope you can see what I'm doing. Wow, okay, these lashes took the look to another level. I think this look is screaming for some extra terrestrial glow, so I'm using the Supreme Frost Hypothermia by Jeffree Star Cosmetics because this is like a purple-ish, whatever. Ooh, wow. Wow, okay, wow. I think this looks cool, but I'm going to add some more highlighter because I love highlighter, and I'm going to put the Ofra and Nikki Tutorials collab glazed donut highlighter on top. I'm really just gonna highlight the high points. I am beaming and gleaming, and I love that. I actually look more of like an alien than like a human galaxy, but whatever. Now we got the highlighter on. Now I want to actually put on some MAC Prep and Prime. Perfect for dry lips like mine, and it also makes the lip liner go on easily. So I'm going to use the MAC Lip Liner Cyber. Whatever. Alright, I wanted to use black liquid lipstick, but I couldn't find it, so I'm just going in with Abused by Jeffree Star, which is a very dark blue with like a purple undertone. Alright, now I'm going in with the NYX Cosmic Metals Lip Gloss. How fitting. This is the color number 5 Asteroid Aura. Can I get a blending brush? Let me get that Blue Glass Glitter by MAC. I want to add some more shiny pigment. This is Rosy Glass, also by MAC. Now, the only thing that is missing, you cannot have a universe without stars. So let's add some stars to the party. So for the stars, I'm going to use a white liquid lipstick, this one right here, and I'm using like a very tiny precise brush. Maybe I even have a mini one. That one could also work. This is from the craft store, and then I'm just going to draw on some stars. Now we got the start party going on, and I think this look is almost complete. I'm just missing a little bit more glitter, so I'm going to add that. And then on top of that, I'm going to use Silver Stars glitter. This is a very cool chunky glitter by MAC. Actually, now that I'm on it, I think my brows look very, like, I don't know, they look too basic for this whole look, so I'm going to put some glitter on them as well. Right, and now that I'm done, I'm gonna set everything. I'm gonna use the Continuous Setting Mist by Morphe. Alright you guys, this look is finished and I think it looks so cool. It even looks great on the viewfinder. This is the whole galaxy universe of Rage look, and I really hope you enjoyed watching this video, this little get ready with me. If you enjoyed watching this video, then make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and also hit that notification bell, then you always will know when I upload a new video. I'll see you on my next one, and until then, take care and stay healthy. Mwah. Lots of kisses. Goodbye. It is 9 p.m. already. At the local, whatever. What do you call it? Supermarket. From the whole crazy nuts. Wow, okay, cool. Yeah. So, on a blending brush like this. This is the like my